Gas is in jet. Zulu 001.
Nat Rep, good morning sir, this is the Master Controller. I have a track of interest in the system for you. Zulu 001. He's east coast heading northwest right now at 35,000 feet.
Yeah, I can see it on your radar.
Roger, that's understood. Coningsby Operations and QRA, this is the Black Dog Master Controller, acknowledge.
QRA.
Q on, 4 quick reaction alerts. Scramble, 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 acknowledge.
QRA.
We have scrambled to QRA jet to intercept this lost comm zone first. One jet has been cleared to supersonic.
Climb flight level 410 and 400. Set speed initially decimal and 9. Your mission, interrogate.
Any other information have we got on this aircraft?
He's still out of radio contact with air traffic control.
Russian 66 from Q2, interceptor aircraft.
Q2, Black Dog, confirm the response.
If you were a hostile aircraft, that's quite threatening.
They'll be giving us instructions as more information is fed to them and they gain more information from other sources. And then gradually there's an escalation process if that needs to occur. There's nothing new in there that we don't practice and the training just kicks in and the adrenaline flows.
99 from intercepting aircraft Q2. I am instructed by Her Majesty's Government of the United Kingdom to warn you that if you do not respond immediately to my orders to turn east, you will be shot down.